In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file TDR for IRCTC ticket refunds by properly guiding users through your WordPress website. If you run a travel blog, railway help site, or ticket assistance platform, this step-by-step guide will help you add the correct TDR link, update your button, and make the process clear for your visitors. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website and software tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Open your browser and navigate to your WordPress admin panel by typing yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Log in using your admin credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see the main control panel where you can manage posts, pages, buttons, and site content. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to help users file their TDR easily. Next, navigate to the page or post where you want to guide users about filing a TDR. Click on Pages or Posts from the left sidebar, then select the page you want to edit. Inside the editor, locate the button that currently directs users for ticket-related actions. We're going to update this button so it directly helps users access the IRCTC TDR filing section. Now, edit the button link. Replace the existing URL with irctc.co.in/nget/trainsearch. This is the official IRCTC portal where users can log in and proceed with ticket-related services, including TDR filing. After updating the link, rename the button text to File TDR Now. Make sure the text is clear, visible, and action-oriented so users immediately understand what to do. A strong call to action improves user experience and reduces confusion. After updating the button, it's important to add helpful instructions for your users. Just adding a button is not enough. Above or below the button, include a short paragraph explaining the steps. For example, tell users to log into their IRCTC account, go to My Bookings, select the relevant ticket, and choose the option to file TDR. Clear navigation guidance builds trust and ensures users don't get lost during the process. Keep the instructions simple, direct, and easy to follow. Once you've added the link, rename the button, and included navigation details, click on the Save or Update button in WordPress. Wait for the confirmation message that your changes have been successfully saved. This step ensures everything is properly published on your live site. Now, open your website page in a new tab to review the changes. Visit the page as a normal user would. Scroll to the section where you added the button and confirm that the File TDR Now button is visible and clickable. Click the button yourself to test if it correctly redirects to the IRCTC website. Also review the instructional text to make sure it looks clean and readable on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to file TDR for IRCTC ticket refunds by guiding users properly through your WordPress website. This small update can significantly improve user experience and help visitors quickly access the official IRCTC portal without confusion. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress and tutorial guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.